I also present on both sides administrator because computer one controlled by computer one administrator, computer two controlled by computer two administrator. That's why I activated both sides administrator account. Then what is the next? Change the host name. What host name you can change? Computer one host name is computer one and computer two host name is computer two. All are clear?
Yes, sir.
How to
Yes,
change
sir.
host name? Go to run and type sysdm.cpl, then rename the computer, then click on change and then click on change. Go to run and type sysdm.cpl to rename this computer, click on change. So where I go to run, where I type here
System.
sysdm.cpl. Both sides sysdm.cpl for changing the host name or company. So that is not possible to remember this name, and here also not possible to remember this name because it's not easy to remember. I2R 9U 7R, and here also 65IAP 7K. Not possible. So where I go, I'm changing the name. What is the name? Computer one. All are clear up to now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here also same thing. What computer name enter? Computer
Computer
COM
two.
TR2. Any question for changing the host name? किसी का कोई
No,
डाउट है?
sir.
Click on OK. Click on close. Restart now. Here also something. Click on OK. Click on close. Restart now. Then where I go? Now I changing the IP addresses. What IP assigned? 192.168.1.1 2.5 gateway 1. Computer 2 IP 192.168.1.2 2.5 gateway 1.1 because computer 2 receiving file from computer
255.25 is subnet now, sir. Subnet mask now.
yeah, subnet
255.
subnet marks. Any question? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt.
So where I go to administrator account both side because administrator can everything changes. I mean on the same computer. So I go to computer one administrator and computer two administrator. All are clear? Both side
sir.
administrator log. Then where I go? Then where I go? Then where I go? Tell me. Then where I go? बस साइलेंट क्यों हो भाई बोलो अभी तो बताया इतना जल्दी भूल जाने से होगा आईटी हो तुम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर का काम करोगे व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप changing the IP go to run and type ncpa.cpl then double click on ethernet 0 then properties double click on ethernet protocol version 4 tcp/ip/ipv4 then enter the IP addresses then uncheck the IPv6 then okay all are clear all are understood all are getting my voice all are getting my screen response me then where
All
I
clear.
go to computer one administrator account then changing the IP addresses how to change IP go to run and type ncpa.cpl then click on OK then where I go double click on ethernet 0 then click on properties on Internet Protocol version 4
IPv4.
what is the IP use the following IP what is the IP 192.168.1.1 gateway 192.168.1.2 because computer 1 is a peer server. Computer 1 sharing service to computer 2. That's why click on OK. Then where I go, uncheck the IPv6. Then where I go, OK. Then where I go, close. Then where I go, cross. Sir, I am not understood. That's why I give you proper steps. Sir, I am not understood. That's why I give you proper steps.
Sir, one question, sir.
Bolo.
Sir, in our case, default gateway also will be the same.
If you
In our
receiving service from computer 1, computer 2 gateway 1.1. If I मतलब जो सर्विस तुम्हारा जहाँ पे होगा, where you receiving service, that is the
that's what I'm.
If you
So
not
we have
understood, you are not understood. If you are not understood, you go to rail line. तो रेल लाइन में क्या होता है? Multiple bogies are there. How it is connected? Through a particular engine. Here also same thing. Who providing service? That is your engine. Whatever the clients how connected? Over the computer one. I mean, who is the engine? Who is sharing the folder? That is the gateway of the client side.
Sir,
If I sharing a file, computer 1 to computer 2, gateway of computer 2 is 1.1. Why? Computer 2 receiving service from computer 1. Now, sir, tell me, if you are sharing a file in computer 3, what is the computer 3 password, guys? What password I enter for computer 3? 192.168.1.3. साइलेंट क्यों हो रहा है बताओ? 192.168.1.3 255.255.0. What is the gateway?
192.168.1.3.
बस साइलेंट क्यों हो जा रहा है?
111.
अच्छा, जो 3 बोल रहे हो, तुम खुद का नंबर से खुद का डायल करो, देखो क्या रेस्पॉन्स आता है.
1.1.
तुम 3 बोल रहे हो, the gateway is 3. It's mean you are calling your own number. If you are getting the call, obviously 3 is 3.
No, sir.
Why you think that 3? Where my original files are present? Computer 1 or computer 2?
Computer
1.
Computer 1 or computer 2?
Computer 1.
Computer 1. So what is the
Computer
computer 3 gateway? What is the computer 3 gateway? What is the computer 3 gateway?
1.
What is the computer 3 gateway? Sound सबसे चाहिए.
1.1 हुआ सर.
कंप्यूटर 4 का भी क्या होगा?
192.168.1.4.
255.255.255.0. What is the gateway?
192.168.1.1.
What is the computer 20 IP? 192.168.1.20. 255.255.255.0. What is the gateway?
192.168.1.1.
किसका डाउट है?
Sir,
बताओ.
in computer,
अब किसका डाउट है बताओ?
sir, in computer 192.168.1.2.
Sorry. अच्छा, if tell me anyone, if I sharing a file from computer 2 and entering the same gateway 1.1, is it possible?
No.
Suppose I want to enter 192.168.1.3, 255.255.255.0 and 192.168.1.2. Is it possible?
No.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, in that
It's also
it means that
possible.
it's in on a foreign network.
It's also
Foreign ship.
possible. It's
Possible, sir, yes,
also
sir.
possible. It's also possible. मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ ना possible.
सर पॉसिबल सर तब होगा जब वो डिफरेंट नेटवर्क होगा.
नहीं, different network नहीं, same network में ही बोल दो.
सबनेटिंग होगा सर.
Sir, how? But the
Gateway
default
IP,
gateway should be same,
gateway
right?
IP is different, sir, so it's possible, sir.
कंप्यूटर 1 को एक्सेस नहीं करेगा सर वो.
Workgroup is a collection of computer connected on a LAN that share common resources and responsibilities. कंप्यूटर 1 से कंप्यूटर 2 कनेक्टेड है, कंप्यूटर 2 से कंप्यूटर 3 कनेक्टेड है. तो सपोज यू आर रिसीविंग फाइल फ्रॉम कंप्यूटर 2, तो व्हाट गेटवे विल एंटर 1. कंप्यूटर 3 रिसीविंग फाइल फ्रॉम कंप्यूटर 2. क्लियर?
यस सर.
सर मुझे सर इतना यह है कि सर जो भी सर सिस्टम एक नेटवर्क के पार्ट हो गए उन सबका गेटवे एक ही होगा.
हाँ
करेक्ट ना?
हाँ. यहाँ पे मेन कौन सा है?
मेन तो यहाँ पे आईपी एड्रेस हो गया.
आईपी एंड सबनेट इज सब.
So
ठीक है.
why subnet math is same, sir? Computer 1 and computer 2.
When we performing the practical on that time, your question is got clear, sir. That is not done on theory. When I performing practical on that time, I cleared you the concept, sir. Okay. तुम लोग जितना भी समझ रहे हो ना, ये डोमेन का कॉन्सेप्ट. मतलब मतलब तुम लोग नेटवर्किंग का समझ रहे हो. मेरे यहाँ पे लैन कनेक्शन है, वाइन कनेक्शन नहीं.
सर मेरा सर एक क्वेश्चन है
यहाँ पे
सर.
वायर नेटवर्क नहीं बना रहा हूँ, और मैं यहाँ पे कोई कंप्यूटर 1 और कंप्यूटर 2 को कोई इंटरनेट प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि कंप्यूटर 1 के पास इंटरनेट. ऐसा नहीं. मेरे को सिर्फ फाइल शेयर करना है. आई एम शेयरिंग ओनली फाइल.
Yes.
मान लो एक चीज मैं सिंपली बता रहा हूँ. मान लो मैंने कंप्यूटर 3 में प्रेजेंट हूँ. आई एम एंटरिंग 192.168.1.1 2.5.2.5.2.5.0 and 192.168.1.1. मान लो कोई फाइल मेरा कंप्यूटर 2 में है. सपोज माय कंप्यूटर फाइल 1 फोल्डर इज फाइल 2. अच्छा, ये फाइल 2 that file 2 accessed by computer 3 or not?
नो सर.
नो नो सर, विदाउट
तब मेरा
परमिशन वी
स्विच
कैन
का काम क्या है? तब मेरा स्विच का काम क्या है?
बस इसका काम
तब
सर
मेरा
यही तो
स्विच
होता है.
लगाया क्यों?
Sir, to
तब मेरा
transfer.
स्विच का काम क्या है बताओ?
सर ट्रैफिक को सर पाथ प्रोवाइड करना बेसिकली ना. मतलब दो सिस्टम को
हाँ.
कनेक्ट करेंगे इंटरनली और डेटा ट्रैफिक मूव होगा.
तो तुम यहाँ से तुम डायरेक्टली रान में जाके कंप्यूटर 2 का आईपी ट्रेस कर सकते हो कि नहीं? फ्रॉम कंप्यूटर 3. Computer Workgroup is a collection of computer connected on a LAN that share common resources and response.
कर सकते हैं सर.
If I trace to computer 3 to computer 2, and
Yes,
if
sir.
I entering the computer 2 administrator ID and password, obviously access the file. वही तो लिखा था theory में ना.
यस सर.
Who
Yes, sir.
know the password can access the resources at the level of access with which it is shared, such as read only, full access, and so on. So when I go to practical, then you can understand. Otherwise you are present on networking class. But this is not networking. This is described work group. Work group means WRKGROUP, which is connected on a same LAN. Gateway से फर्क नहीं है मेरा. Because computer 1 to computer 2 is connected. Computer 2 to computer 3 क्या बोला? PR server का मीनिंग क्या है बता दो. What do you mean by PR server? तो चलो प्रैक्टिकल कर लेते हैं. Without use of centralized administrative systems. So now I performing the practical. If you have doubt, you can. Okay. So now let's see. So where I go, ncpa.cpl, which I already enter the IP 192.168.1.1. अब देखो ये सेम LAN पे है तो ऑब्वियसली एक पॉपअप तो आएगा ही. If I entering the password on computer 2, which is 192.168.1.2 and 2.5.2.5.2.5.0 and 192.168.1.1, that is also reflected, right or wrong? Because connected on a same LAN, that's share common resources and responsibility, and that's why I am entering 1.1 on the gateway of computer 2, because I am present on which computer? Computer 2. All are clear up to now?
Yes, sir.
सर वन क्वेश्चन सर.
किसी का कोई डाउट है? क्वेश्चन बाद में समझाए, क्वेश्चन बाद में करो, पहले प्रैक्टिकल को करने दो उसके बाद. ठीक है,
ओके.
इतना दूर तक क्लियर हुआ सबको? Because computer 1 IP is 192.168.1.1, computer 2 IP is 1.1. ठीक है, तो मे बी ऑल आर क्लियर अप टू नाउ. एनी क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
Click on OK. Then uncheck the IPv6. Then click on OK. Then click on close. So workgroup is a collection of computer connected on a LAN that share common resources. That is correct. देखो पॉपअप आ रहा है, क्या बोल रहे पढ़ो. Do you want to allow to be discoverable by other species devices on the network? तुम क्या चाहते हो? You wants to connect computer 2 to computer 1 connected or not? What do you click? Yes or no?
यस.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now it's joined.
Yes.
Then where I go? Now I am creating one folder. Where I creating folder? On computer 1 from administrator account, because administrator having this permission. Creating a folder on administrator account. Where I go to computer 1, which I already present on administrator account now. I am creating a one user. Click on new, click on folder. I am already creating a folder. That folder name is folder 1, and where it's present? It's present on computer 1. So you will understood very well where the folder 1 is present. All are clear up to now? Any
sir.
question?
No, sir.
No.
sir.
How to share this file? How to share this? How to sharing this folder? So you will sharing the folder from administrator to user, right? Admin to user में share करोगे. Now I am creating one user account on computer because admin to user can access. So here administrator already present, but here user is not present. That's why I am creating user on computer too. To create, change the IP addresses, then create user who wants to access the IP. So now I am creating one user account on the computer too. How to create user? That all steps written on. Clear? Go to run and type LUSR then double click on user, then right click on outside, then click on new user, then enter all details, then enter password, then log on through that. Everything is written. You can take the screenshot if you're not clear. How to create it. So where I go, I'm go to computer 2, and where I log on through administrator account, because administrator managing the user, na? Administrator creating the user. That's why I log on through administrator and then press LUSR mgr.ms. All are clear up to now? Any question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then where I go, double click on user, double
Users.
right click on outside, and then new user. What is outside? ये जितना भी space है ये outside. That is totally outside. Clear?
Yes.
And if you think, sir, I'm going to here, not new user is not good. New user not working. If you right click, not new user is coming. If you right click on here, new user not coming. Where you click? Here. So new user is coming. What user I created? I am creating Ram. Password is 123. 123 password. Confirm password done. User must change password at next logon. check on password never expired, then click on create, then click on close. That is the process to create a user, and that is belongs to member of user. All are understood how to create user from administrator account on computer
Yes, sir.
2.
Yes,
All
Yes,
sir.
are
sir.
clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then
sir.
where I go log out from administrator and log on through
User.
Ram.das, because Ram.das wants to access that folder one from computer 2 to computer 1. The password is 12345. Clear? Log on.
Yes, sir.
फाइल को तो शेयर तो करना है, right? Because without permission, without administrator permission, obviously that Ram.das not able to access. Its visible folder is empty, or it's visible the folder is not listed, right? Because I'm not sharing this folder. Now I manually share it. All are clear?
Yes,
All are
sir.
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
How to share? Now let's see. All steps are written in proper way. Right click on folder, then go to properties, then go to sharing tab, then go to advanced sharing, then check on share this folder, then go to permission. Everyone is automatically added on this list. Always have read writes, then go to security tab, then edit and add everyone. Okay. If you not concentrate, you can not understand. How to share? Right click on this folder, then go to properties. There is two tab is visible: sharing tab, security tab. Every tab you will adding everyone. So go to sharing tab, then go to share advanced sharing. Then where I go share this folder. Then where I go permission. Which permission it's up? Everyone. Then click on apply, then click on OK. Then click on apply, then click on OK. Then where I go security. Then where I go edit. Then where I go add. What I add here? AVERYON. Everyone is added. If you tell me कि sir I am not edit the Ram.das, क्या देखो ये Ram.das visible हो रहा है? नहीं, because Ram.das created on computer 2, which is physically different, and that computer is physically different. How to share this file with everyone? Because computer 1 everyone is present, computer 2 also everyone group is present. That's why I shared with everyone. All are clear? Any doubt up to now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Which write read and execute list folder content read. Click on add, type here EVERYONE, then click on OK. That is the process. How to add? Click on add, type here EVERYONE, then click on add. How to add? Click on add, EVERYONE, then click on add. 3 times I repeat. Have any question? Tell me.
No,
Sir.
Any question? Then you can go through these steps already written. Go to security tab, click on edit, then add everyone. 4th time. Any doubt?
no.
If you present, I try to give you 100%. Click on apply, click on OK. Then close. How who can access? Computer 2. How can access? Log on through user account. Which user? Ram.das. Already log on. How to access? Go to run. What I type here? Computer 1 IP 192.168.1.1. Password is required or not? Obviously required. User who know this password can access the resources at the level of access with which it is shared. कौन share किया? PC1. Who? Administrator. What is the username? Administrator. What is the password? 1 2 3
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
किसका पासवर्ड दिया मैंने? एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर का. Which
Administrator.
administrator? Computer 1. Where computer 1 present? This side. If you lock it, you also visible. I am only normally go through control or delete this one. कौन सा पासवर्ड दिया? ये वाला पासवर्ड. What is the password? 1 2 3 4 5.
1 2 3 4
That
5.
is the administrator password. ये पासवर्ड कंप्यूटर 2 में देना है. ठीक है? So already I give this password. Then computer folder 1 folder computer 1. Visible. Clear. Practically is done. If you creating folder on the PC1, that is also reflected with the client side. Client ram.das. The folder name is A. It's also reflected. Then visible. Any question? How to share a file in Workgroup?
Sir, just one thing I want to know.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, in this case, our internet is coming into picture or not?
Internet is not required because we are entering local IP. Computer workgroup is a collection of computer connected on a same LAN without internet. Intranet.
Sir, could you please tell the difference between these? What is this Ethernet and intranet? What is this?
Ethernet means Ethernet cable. Internet means where you accessing Google, YouTube, whatever you want. And intranet means local network.
No, like you went to the network connection tab no, in the control panel. So there you enabled that Ethernet one.
Yeah, we are going to directly go to run and type ncpa.secure and then enter the Ethernet 0 and then normally changing
what is
the
what is this Ethernet? What is the Ethernet connection it is showing?
Ethernet means where you attaching the IP addresses. You are calling via phone. So what you will use? SIM card. So here also the same thing. When you connected from computer 1 to computer 2, you must attaching one IP addresses. Then it is present on a SIM LAN. If you not entering the IP, it is not possible to build the network. Okay.
Sir,
Tell me if you have any question. Everything is written. You can take screenshot.
sir, in PC2. Hello.
थोड़ा सा जोरे बोलो. मैं कान में थोड़ा कम सुनता हूँ.
Am I audible, sir?
जल्दी बोलो. बोलो.
Sir, you created in PC2 created ram.dos user ram.dos, right? And then you turn off the PC2.
Turn off the PC2. Why turn off the PC2? कहाँ मैंने turn off किया? ये तो online है. मैंने सिर्फ login किया.
Log out, sorry.
Log out from administrator. And then
PC2 administration, right?
on through ram.das. Yeah, PC2 administrator. Who created user? Santosh, administrator. Who access it? User. That's why. When you created user account, log on to administrator, then create user. But when you access physically user go to that computer and then log on through that account, then can access. Admin to admin can share the file.
batch, sir?
No,
Sir?
10 to 12 is now start. अभी तक स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ क्योंकि अभी आना जाना हो रहा है ना. कोई आ रहा है कोई जा रहा है. मेरे को मतलब कांस्टेंट प्रेजेंट कोई नहीं है अभी तक.
Sir, 12:30 to 2 batch, sir.
Yeah, this is 10 to 12 batch is continue. When you are all constant present, then I started.
Sir, 12:30 class is there, sir?
Yeah, 12:30. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you 10 to 12 batch. If you have any question, you can ask me on tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Because you are performing the practical, and when you performing the practical, your all questions is got clear. Okay. So you will download the DMR and you will also download the Windows 10 and then one by one share your screen and then you can share your code on tomorrow. Tomorrow I don't describe any new topic. first you represent that practical, whatever described yesterday and today, and then you can perform it. Then I started next class on day after tomorrow. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
All are taking screenshot. सबको screenshot ले लिया. All are
Yes,
taking
sir.
screenshot because this is very important when you done the practical. Okay, because every manual is required. Okay, thank you everyone.